Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I desperately needed something for my glasses when I go on my fitness walks. And I was really frustrated with my glasses constantly slipping down my nose outside in the sweaty weather. So I went shopping on Amazon and found the perfect solution. These eyeglass holder straps fit my glasses wonderfully. They're really soft and comfortable. They come in a pack of 3, and I chose the pink ones. They're really super easy to put on. They have these silicone tips that slide right on the edge of your glasses on either side. And when I'm walking, they don't slip down my nose anymore. I take them on my walks. I take them when I go to events outside. I even use them when I'm working in the backyard or the front yard, anything outside. And you just slip them on. It has a super easy adjustable. It's comfortable. They stay where I want them. They don't move. They are super lightweight and so comfortable. I don't even really feel like they're on once I start walking. When I'm walking around outside in the heat, there is no slippage. They are absolutely wonderful. I don't have to worry about my glasses sliding or slipping or falling off anymore. I love them.